The Voges-Proskauer test tests for glucose fermentation products. The test involves the addition of two chemicals to the broth. The first chemical is alpha-naphthol, which is labelled as A. 15 drops are added to the 1 milliliter of broth. Keep everything straight and vertical so the drops land in the broth and not on the side of the tube. I didn't do a great job getting the drops in the broth the second time, but the solution needs to be agitated, so that is a chance to mix the drops into the broth. Hold the tube firmly by the glass at the top, then strike down on the end with your finger of your other hand several times. This action oxygenates the mixture, which promotes the chemical reaction. Now the second chemical is added, which is potassium hydroxide, which is marked as B. Make sure that you are careful with both chemicals. However, reagent B can cause chemical burns if misused. Five drops of B are added. Here, I am being extra careful to make sure my drops land in the broth. After addition of the drops, the mixture must be agitated a second time. The main downside of the VP reaction is the amount of time it can take to occur, often taking an hour or more. Here is a time lapse of the reaction occurring. In this case, the tubes were left undisturbed for about 90 minutes, but you can see the reaction did occur before the end of the time lapse. A red coloration indicates a positive VP test. A yellow coloration indicates a negative outcome.